Welcome back guys. This tutorial I am going to show you call ended immediately on Android. Try this easy fixes guide. Let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, swipe the top of the screen to open notification panel, then swipe again to open the quick panel page. Here you can see the airplane mode option. Once you found them, simply tap on it once to turn it on and wait a few seconds. After that, tap on the toggle button again to turn them off. One is off, simply tap on the settings gear icon to open the phone settings. Then scroll all the way to the very bottom, go to apps. Here use the search bar very top, simply type phone app. Once you found the default phone app, tap on their name to open the app info page. After that, look at the bottom right corner, find the 4 stop button, click on it, then hit OK. Now scroll through the page, go to storage. At the very bottom, you can see 2 buttons, clear cache, clear data. Tap on both buttons one by one. After it's done, tap on the back arrow, return to the previous page, scroll all the way to very top, go to permission. Here you can see all of the allow and not allow option there. Make sure to your important all of options set to allow, such as call logs, contact and accounts, notification. Also make sure to the phone app set to allow mode. Is done, simply go back to the main settings page of your phone. After that, scroll all the way to the very top, go to connection. Here you can simply go to mobile networks. After that, tap on network mode option and set the network mode if you like. For example, I am set to 5G preferred. Click on access point names option, tap on the 3 dot button, then select reset to default, then tap on reset and wait to complete the process. After that, set your network action. For example, I am set this. Now back to the previous page again. This time open network operators and turn it off. Then simply choose the available network you. For example, I am select Robi. This is my SIM network. Now close the app, then restart your phone. To do that, locate the power button and volume down button on your device. Simply long press it at the same time and wait a few seconds. After that, tap on restart. Then tap restart button again to completely restart your phone and wait till your phone is back on. After your phone is back on, you can simply open the phone app and check this time it works or not. However, if your phone fixes, this is really good. But if your problem is still, don't worry, you can fix this only the last 2 ways. To do that, simply back your SIM card, this is the SIM slot, and reset the SIM card again or change your SIM. However, also make sure your phone is updated to the latest version. To do that, open settings all the way to very bottom, go to software update, then tap on check for update or download and install depending on your phone model and Android version. Make sure your phone is up to date. Keep in mind, if this all of the step you try but your problem is still, this means this is very hard problem issue. This time you can contact your SIM network provider or Samsung service center to fix it that. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also subscribe to my new channel to support it.